If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Walmart account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Access the Walmart login page. Go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your device. Click on the Sign In option to reach the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is necessary for resetting your two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Walmart account. This information will be used to send you a verification code or link to reset your password. Step 4. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for a message from Walmart containing a verification code or a link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password and access your account. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. Once you have regained access to your account, navigate to the security settings. Here, you can re-enable two-factor authentication by following the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on your Walmart account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart customer support for further assistance.